Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ashley. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm doing a tutorial on this look right here. This is a very night out type of look. You can do it for a girls' night, you could do it for a date night, really whatever you choose. I call it my bedroom eyes. It's very sultry. Before I get started, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. So as you can see, I already have my face makeup on, so I'm going to go ahead and get started with the eyes. Put a little bit of my concealer on the eyelid to act like a primer. And I'm going to just take this light color right here from the Morphe 35W palette, and it's just a light color. I'm just using it to set that foundation that I just did. I'm doing that all over the lid. Now I'm going to go in with my transition shade. I'm going to use this light brown color right here. And I'm just placing that on the brow bone and kind of just blending it out. Now before I forget, since we're going to be using darker colors than I normally do, I'm going to put a little bit of translucent powder underneath my eyes just to help with any of the fallout that I will get. Now if you're someone who has really dry under eyes already, I wouldn't really recommend this. I would just do your eye makeup first and then do your face makeup after that. This is definitely going to dry out that under eye area a lot. So that is just something to keep in mind. Now I'm going to go in with my darkest shade. I'm using the Infallible eyeshadow by Lancome, and it's the color 890. I'm using a flat brush to pack this powder on, and I'm concentrating this on the outer corner of my eye. Then I'm actually taking it up onto my brow bone just slightly and dragging it towards the inner of my eye. And now I'm going to put that color on the inner corner. So this is going to be like a halo effect. Now I'm taking the other side of that brush, and it's just a blending brush. I'm just going to blend that out. Now the reason I take this brown onto my brow bone is because I have deep set eyes, and it's not hooded, but it kind of is like a hooded eye, where my eyes go really far back. So if I want to be able to see any of the color that I put in my crease, I actually need to bring it up onto the brow bone and act like that's my crease. If I don't do that, then you won't even see what's going on in the crease of my eye. Now I keep it pretty close to the bottom of the brow bone, but it is definitely my brow bone. Once both eyes are even, I am going to move on. So I'm actually just going to go ahead and do the bottom lash line now that I have the same color out in the same brush that I want to use. I'm just going to do the same thing to the bottom lash line. Now over top of the brown that I just did, I want to make it a little bit more bronzy. So I'm going to use this NYX Bedroom Eyes. Okay, so now I'm going to take this Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art. It is the color 100 Topaz Twinkle. So I'm going to take the more shimmery side as opposed to the glittery side. And I'm just going to put that in the center of my eyelid, like that. And tap it out a little bit. You just want to make sure you're keeping this in the center of your eye. I'm going to go back in with my Infallible 890. Going to go ahead and wipe away that extra powder. Now I'm going to take my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I'm dipping in the yellow color. I'm just creating my wing with my shadow there. I'll let it sit there for a second. For lips, I'm going to use my Kylie Cosmetics Dolce K lip liner. I like to fill in the outer corners as well. This is gonna give the illusion of a pouty lip because the inner part of your lip is lighter. Then I'm gonna take Charlotte Tilbury Penelope Pink lipstick. I'm also gonna add a little bit of highlight from the Carli Bybel palette. I'm using this golden color. And since I have on eyelash extensions, I don't need to put on a strip lash for this look, so I'm just going to finish it off with my favorite mascara, Smashbox X rated mascara. And of course, to finish it off, I'm spraying my face down with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And this is the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.